Hello, lovely to have you here today. So we'll start from some breathing exercises. So if you place your hands on your belly and basically for breathing for singing, you'd like to breathe using your diaphragm. So what is important when you breathe, try not to lift your shoulders up. That's really important. So when you're taking the breath in, you want to think that you're breathing to your belly. So we are taking the breath in to your belly and then just exhale. Very good. And now take the breath in and exhale. Very good. Keep on checking if you're not lifting your shoulders up. That's really important. And make sure that your belly moves forward when you take the breath in and comes back flat when you exhale. Okay, so let's do it again. Breath in and out. Very good. This time we're going to take the breath in and exhale on long S sound as long as you can. Okay, so breath in and very good. And let's do it again. Breath in and very good. Let's do it one more time. This time we're going to go on F sound. So, breath in and very good. And let's do it one more time. Breath in very good. This time we're gonna try on Z sound. So same principles. Make sure that you're not lifting your shoulders up and that your belly moves forward when you take the breath in and comes back flat when you're exhaling. Okay? So let's do it one more time. This time we're gonna go on Z sound. So breath in. Very good. Well done. Cool. So let's come back. Let's move to some singing exercises. So let's start from singing C major scale. You can either sing on La or you can sing on Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. It's absolutely up to you. So let's start. We're gonna start from C major scale. So very good. And let's do it one more time. Very good. And this time, I'd like you to sing D major scale. Same principles. You can either sing it on La, on or Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. So. done. Okay, so let's go for more exercises. So the first one is, I'm gonna play something for you, and I'd like you to sing on a vowel to start with, okay? So I'll show you first. So if we go okay? When you practice, think about your breathing. So make sure that you're breathing to your belly. So you're not lifting your shoulders when you take the breath in, and that your belly moves forward when you take the breath in and comes back flat when you exhale. So when you sing, okay? Let's try it. So remember that you're singing on a vowel to start with. Okay, excuse me for a second. Okay, so yes, let's carry on. This time we're gonna go on ooh vowel, okay? So whenever you're ready, and ooh, carry on. Very good. How is it going? Nice. Okay. Good. So this time we're gonna sing exactly same thing. We're gonna go on E vowel. And. Fantastic. Well done. Remember that it's very important to warm up your voice every time before you go for singing. So you can use those exercises as your warm up every time before you go for practicing your song. Well done. Thank you very much for today, and see you soon.